Okay, guys, I have not seen it yet. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect sticky rice. So, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, and there you go. Perfection. Now we just let it cool off. Delicious. Hi my friends, my name's Scott. For today's video, we are going to be looking over this rice cooker. 1.2 liter, 200 watts. So let's go ahead and open it up, show you what you get. Okay, so this is the power supply. They give you a little scoop, manual, and this is the unit itself. So on the front here, you have brown rice, white rice, porridge, stew or cake, porridge or soup, keep warm or cancel, delay start, and you press this to lift up the lid. And let's go ahead and take a look inside here. So there's the heating element. Okay, here it shows, okay, so we're looking, so here we go. Shows you the levels where you can put rice. Not sure what gruel is, but this is the little container, and here's your little cup. You just place that down inside, and it's sensitive, so when you put in your rice and everything, it pushes down and it triggers it, and then you would just start and stop it. So sometimes you kind of have to push it down and hear a latch. If you guys lose your manual, this is so it says white rice function usually takes about 40 to 60 minutes. Ratio is 1 cup of white rice to 1 cup of water. This ricer can cook up to 2 cups of uncooked white rice under the white rice function. So it says 1 cup of white rice corresponds to 1 cup of water. So basically 1 cup, so 2 cups of water, 2 cups of rice. And then it says for brown, well, you guys can read it there. Which is interesting because we've always done 1 cup of water and 2 cups of rice. That's how we've always done it before in others systems, but this one is just a 1-to-1 ratio. Very interesting. Okay, from what everyone is saying in the comment section, we're gonna follow our own how we've always done it. So in the manual it says 1-to-1 ratio, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of rice. We're actually going to do it a little different. We're gonna do 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice. That's how we've always done it, and we're gonna maintain that. We'll see, and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Alright, so here we go. We press white rice, and this is what it's doing. So yeah, we'll see. I guess it's doing what it's supposed to do. Okay guys, I have not seen it yet. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect sticky rice. So, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, and there you go. Perfection. Now we just let it cool off. Delicious.